Know you've been a good friend.
Welcome to Storyblocks Rahana. Let's start. Assam Cabinet comprises the following ministers. Chief Minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. Portfolios: Home, Personnel, Public Works Buildings and National Highways, Public Works Roads, Medical Education and Research, and any other department not allotted to other ministers. Cabinet Ministers: Shri Ranjit Kumar Das. Portfolios: Panchayat and Rural Development, Judicial Tourism, General Administration. Shri Atul Bora. Portfolios: Agriculture, Excise, Border Protection and Development, Horticulture, Implementation of Assam Accord. Shri Keshab Mahanta. Portfolios: Revenue, Disaster Management, Information Technology, Science, Technology and Climate Change. Shri Urkau Gora Brahma. Portfolios: Handloom, Textiles and Sericulture, Soil Conservation, Welfare of Bodoland. Shri Chandra Mohan Patawari. Portfolios: Act East Policy Affairs, Environment and Forest, Parliamentary Affairs. Dr. Ranoy Pegu. Portfolios: School Education, Higher Education, Tribal Affairs, Plain. Shri Ashok Singhal. Portfolios: Health and Family Welfare, Irrigation. Shri Jogan Mohan. Portfolios: Hill Areas Development, Transport, Cooperation, Indigenous and Tribal Faith and Culture. Samt Ajanta Neog. Portfolios: Finance, Women and Child Development. Shri Piyush Hazarika. Portfolios: Information and Public Relations, Social Justice and Empowerment, Water Resources. Shri Bimal Bora. Portfolios: Cultural Affairs, Industries, Commerce and Public Enterprises. Shri Jayanta Malabarua. Portfolios: Public Health, Engineering, Housing and Urban Affairs. Esmet Nandita Garlosa. Portfolios: Sports and Youth Welfare, Welfare of Minorities, Public Works Buildings and National Highways. Newly inducted ministers, December 7, 2024. Shri Prasanta Fukan. Portfolios: Power, Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship. Assists the Chief Minister in Medical Education and Research. Shri Krishnendu Paul. Portfolios: Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Fisheries. Assists the Chief Minister in Public Works Roads. Shri Kaushik Rai. Portfolios: Food, Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs, Mines and Minerals, Baroque Valley Development.
Know you've been a good friend.
Thanks for watching this video.